Ben and Mia, two third-year medical students, navigate the demands of their academic and personal lives with diligence and humor. Hailing from different backgrounds, their distinctive personalities blend into a remarkable friendship characterized by shared dreams and mutual support. Their day begins at dawn in the bustling city where they reside for their studies. The cacophony of early morning traffic serves as a constant reminder of their commitment to medicine. Ben, an early riser with an affinity for punctuality, meticulously arranges his medical instruments before heading to the hospital. His analytical nature drives him to excel in clinical procedures, a skill that earns him the admiration of his peers and professors alike. Conversely, Mia embraces a more laid-back approach to life. Her artistic sensibilities are evident in her vibrant wardrobe and eclectic choice of study playlists. Despite occasional tardiness, Mia's empathetic nature and adept communication skills make her an exceptional candidate for patient interactions. Her mornings often begin with a yoga session, an activity that replenishes her energy for the demanding day ahead. The medical campus serves as the core stage where their lives intertwine. Between lectures, they share animated conversations over coffee, exchanging theories and aspirations. Their camaraderie extends beyond academic discussions, delving into culinary experiments and spontaneous urban explorations, offering a respite from their rigorous schedules. As dusk falls, Ben and Mia regroup in their shared study room. The remnants of a busy day evident in the scattered anatomy textbooks and empty coffee mugs. They engage in a playful yet heated debate on the merits of various medical practices. Such discussions often culminate in a consensus steeped in respect for one another's perspectives. Throughout the academic year, Ben and Mia's friendship flourishes amidst the relentless pressure of medical school. Their complementary strengths echo a broader lesson in unity amidst diversity, proving that balance, empathy, and dedication are paramount to succeeding in the demanding world of medicine. Their journey not only enriches their knowledge, but also fortifies the values that define their individual and collective destinies.